Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your page orientation on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the launcher menu and select settings from this menu, or you can search for it. And then on the left panel, select the device button. On the right side underneath device, select display. And then there should be something that says orientation. Click the drop down and you can select if you want it to be flipped 90 degrees, 180 or 270. 360 just would do a complete flip, so there'd be really no point in doing that. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.